Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niches. You can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can sell this skill on Facebook pages. You can sell this skill on offline market. You can find websites related to your niche and ask them your service. Logo designing is very premium skill, and you have earned a lot of money through it. So let's get started. So I'm going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is the best graphic designing software available online, and in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a pet food logo in Canva. So let's get started. I click on create a design. Here I search for logo, and 500 by 500 pixels, the most widely used logo template. So I click on this, it is loading. So I go to elements, and here I search for pet food. So let's see. Yeah, so I think this one is good. I like this one. First of all, change the background color. Text, and dummy company name is pet food. I change the font to Maharlika. So it is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed. So internet speed becomes slow. So I think we go for this logo. I think internet is disconnected, due to this the font is not loaded. So I think we have to change the color. Yeah, so it's look good. After that we place it in center. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.